Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to share some ideas that I've had with you on crude. So, looking at the front month futures, the main thing that I'm trying to look at in this, and if you look at the recent action and say, well, it's been a little bit more sideways to maybe even down, well, I would encourage you to think about the fact that we are trading above all of the broad moving averages, the 50, the 100, and the 2. And from a squeeze perspective, we have just seen this momentum begin to shift. If this was going to fire short, I would have been looking for it to happen inside this move. As it ends up working out, you hold those broad moving averages, and I think you've got some power that is building up here and getting ready to release that to the long side. You've also seen that even when the dollar is strong, crude has been able to hold up pretty well, and that should bode well for energy. Now, the outright way to play this would be through something like buying March calls here in USO. You could also sell a put spread in the same series to help complement the Greeks in that. And then you could also look down to a few smaller companies that I think will also benefit off of that. So PE is one of these. Kind of the same thing where you don't want to have to spend too much time looking at a chart, but when you've got a weekly squeeze in play that has a nice pattern of higher highs and higher lows, and then you can see that off of the daily chart as well, I think that offers some good opportunity. I think RIG is in a very similar situation. So those are two tickers that I think will make for some good opportunity to the long side. And then for CVX, they're due to report earnings in the morning. I've already established some bullish positions on this, but if you happen to find it anywhere down around 115 tomorrow, I think that would also give you the opportunity to sell a February put credit spread. And those are some of the oil and gas ideas I have heading into tomorrow and the weeks ahead. So I hope you find that helpful. If there's anything else I can do for you, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll touch base at the next free video.